What is a non-disclosure agreement? Should you have one? And what's the process for putting an NDA together? We're going to break down all of those details, so keep watching. Non-disclosure agreements, or NDAs for short, are legally binding documents that require people to keep certain information confidential. In this video, you'll learn the basics of non-disclosure agreements, requirements in Washington D.C., what to include, and where to get a state-specific template. First, let's get into a little more detail about NDAs in general. An NDA, also called a confidentiality agreement, protects a company, organization, or individual's business secrets from being exposed and especially falling into competitors' hands. Secrets can include new ideas, finances, software, and any other sensitive information. Many businesses have learned the hard way that things need to be kept close, which is why NDAs are so common in today's workforce. In fact, about a third of the US workforce is bound by an NDA. NDAs are commonly used on employees, subcontractors, potential investors, and anyone else that gains access to sensitive information. There are two types of NDAs. Unilateral NDAs are more common and typically involve information shared with contractors or employees. They're one-way agreements, which means that one person, the receiving party, is agreeing not to share information. Mutual NDAs are less common and involve a few people who may come together with an idea and need to share sensitive information with each other. Now, here's what you should know about NDA laws in Washington, D.C. D.C. has a set of laws that apply to NDAs called the Uniform Trade Secrets Act. If someone violates an NDA in Washington, D.C., the harmed party has up to 3 years after the misappropriation is discovered, or should have been discovered, to bring an action in court, and they could be entitled to significant damages. There are state limitations as to what is deemed a trade secret, but we have more information on laws at the link below, so be sure to take a look. Now, what should the agreement include? At a minimum, the section should include the following: the names of the parties and their relationship, the type of agreement, whether unilateral or mutual, a description or definition of the confidential information, obligations or responsibilities of each party, the time period, severability, enforcement, and governing law clauses, and signatures. We're eForms, the world's biggest database of legal documents. Get an official NDA template for Washington, D.C. and other states at the link below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos that will help you stay organized.